Example 3. We're going to graph this function using its intercepts where 8x minus y is equal to 8. Let's start this process by solving for our x-intercept. We know that we need to cover up the letter, the variable that we don't need. Since I'm looking for the x, then I don't need the y. So we cover that up with our handy-dandy finger that God made for us, or we mark it out. And then step 2, we rewrite our tiny equation of 8x equals 8. Step 3, if necessary, divide. Okay, it is necessary because I had a coefficient in front of that x, and I have to get x all alone. So when I divide off the 8, 8 divided by 8 gives us an x-intercept of 1. Here on my coordinate plane, my x-axis, nice and horizontal through the middle of things, and the intercept is equal to 1. So I have now plotted my first intercept of the given problem. Okay, let's do the second half. Our y-intercept tells us that we don't need to use or look at our x term. So I can cover that up, or I can mark it out, which I choose to do. Thus leaving us with a minus or negative y equaling 8. If necessary, solve by dividing. Well, there's no number showing. Yeah, actually there is. Because there's a minus, there's a negative. That is an understood negative 1. And we are not allowed to call this process done until not only is that y alone without a number in front of it, but it's also positive. As a result, 8 divided by negative 1 is negative 8. And here with our y-axis being the vertical line through the center of our coordinate plane, our y-intercept is here towards the bottom at negative 8. Now that I have plotted both of my intercepts, let's get our handy-dandy ruler and connect them. If you're having to graph using standard form, it's really very friendly, very simple. I think it's actually probably easier, faster to do correctly than with the slope-intercept form, truth be told. And there you go.